So each year, I usually sit down and come up with my vision for the year. I do my whole vision board, grab all the materials, the magazines, the clips, and everything that is going to represent what I want to achieve, right, for the year. What is my vision for that year, right? And then I paste it out on the vision board that I'm creating and have it all sticking up somewhere in my house, usually my bedroom or my bathroom. And then each day or once in a while, whatever, throughout the year, I just look into it, visualize what I want and all the stuff, right? And work on that. So I love vision boards because it helps me to visualize what I want to achieve, what I want in my life. And just having that visual representation is really good because it brings a whole picture into your brain, right? You have that vision, it gets imprinted in there that you know what you want to expect in your life, right? What you want in your life. So this year I decided I'm going to do it a little bit different. I'm going to do mine digital this year. I'm going to create my whole vision as a digital representation of everything that I want, and I'm going to keep it on my desktop so that it's a reminder each time when I turn on my computer, I see it there, it's visualizing it of all the things that I want to accomplish in my life. So, what do you do for your own vision board? How are you setting up your vision board, right? I hope you're coming up with a vision for what you want for the year, right? If you haven't started, make sure you take some time, right? Because this is a perfect time at the beginning of the year for you to sit down and come up with your vision of what you want in 2021. So, despite all the things that has been happening right now, right? Sometimes you have to take some time to just step back and say, despite everything that's happening in the world, what do I still want to achieve in this year, right? What I'm hoping, right? Because when you have that vision, you have, and then you have an idea for what you want, right? And when you have an idea for what you want, then it's easier for you to now to set up some goals and plan out how to achieve those goals throughout the year. But it has to start off with having a vision, right? Having that clear guidance on what you want, how so just it doesn't have to be perfect. It's your vision. You know what you want, right? So there's no right or wrong when it comes to vision, bro, because this is something for your own good, for your own self, for your own life, right? What you want to vision, what you want to to manifest into your life, right? So yeah, so come up with a vision board. So as you can see, this is the vision board that I've come up with. I've put all the categories. I like to focus on my personal life, my health, my family, my business, my finances, and all this stuff, right? And then you have a visual representation of what I want in those areas in my life, right? Because all those areas are what makes me, right? I'm not just focused on the business only, because that's not only what I'm all about, right? And to have families, I to have kids, and to have other things that I want to accomplish, right? So I put all that in that vision board, and then by visualizing that, I can come up with my plan of what I want to achieve, and then work on that throughout the year to make sure that I accomplish that. I have that vision, right? So it start off with having that vision and then come up with the goals and plan it out and make it work so that my vision comes. Right. So last year I did a vision board, and most of the stuff on that board, despite everything that went on, did come right to be. I know I had put down a thing on there to say I want my YouTube channel to reach 1,000 subscribers, right? And I did reach that, right? I want to grow my YouTube to at least 1,000 subscribers. So, and I only reached that because I was focused on that. That was my vision, right? So, what is your vision? What are you hoping to achieve, right? It does work. At first, I used to think like, oh, vision board, do they work? And all this stuff, right? But they do work if you focus on that, right? It's that whole visualization, right, of what you want, and then taking all those steps forward to making goals, to planning it out and make it happen, right? So just having that stick onto the wall without any action to make that come true, it doesn't help, because I think that's why most people end up saying vision boards don't work, because to them they're just coming up with this whole board of these things they stick, all these pictures of things that they want, right? And just sit there and be like, oh, that's gonna happen now, it's gonna tend to reality. But most of the time you need to take those actions for you to have that come to reality, right? So make sure you take action, you plan it out, and then your vision will come. And believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Don't doubt yourself. You're more than capable to achieve your dreams, right? You might have put this whole big picture to say, I want this big house, right? But you have to believe in yourself that, yes, this is achievable for you, right? And then plan it out. How can you make it achievable, right? How can you come to this, right? Maybe you need to go all full in with your business, try to increase your business, that way you'll be able to make more money, that way you'll be able to afford that, right? But it comes, start off with visualizing it and then plan it out and work it out, right? So it's not going to just come with you just sitting doing nothing, right? To work towards it, you have to work towards it. So and to work towards it, you have to believe that you can make it happen, right? You can do it. And yes, you can. If you put your mind into it, you can make it happen. If you have seen other people doing it, that means it's possible. So that's already been proved that, yeah, it's possible for someone to happen. It can also happen for you, only if you take action, and you can make it that happen as well. So that's just a little extra to say, hey, whatever you put down there, don't hold yourself back. Go for that wildest dream, right? And go for it. Go for your goals. Go for your whatever you want to achieve, right? Don't hold yourself back. So I know sometimes we have all these limiting beliefs where we think like, oh my gosh, this cannot happen for me because of so I saw, because I'm a woman, all this stuff, right? I can tell you, especially when it comes to online businesses, there's no limit. So whatever your idea is, whatever vision you have yourself, you can do it. You can do it. You can make it happen. So yeah, have fun coming up with your own vision boards. Go ahead and come up with your vision boards and have fun. And please share with us. We would like to see how your vision boards turn out too, right? I like to see how people come up with their own vision boards as well. So you can share that in the comments below. We'd like to do that. And hey, are we connected on Instagram? Are we friends on Instagram? Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Limitless Co. One, that we can easily connect. You can DM me. I'm there to help you if you have any questions or anything like that. So this is Rudo Dube. For now, stay strong, stay positive, and continue building the dream business that you love. And I'll see you next time. Take care, guys. Bye.